I'm on a mission to find out which car stereo really reigns supreme for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and I'm going to test them all out for you. Let's talk about car stereos that work seamlessly with our smartphones. It's no secret that our phones have become an essential part of our daily lives, and when we're behind the wheel, we expect that same level of connectivity and integration. Finding the perfect car stereo that meets the needs of both Apple and Android users can be a daunting task, to say the least. With so many options available on the market, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Different brands, models, features, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. You've got Apple fans swearing by their iPhone, and Android loyalists who wouldn't trade their device for the world. And then, there are those who've got a mix of both in their household. So, which car stereo is going to make everyone happy? It's a challenge that requires some serious research, and that's exactly what I've been doing. I've been digging deep, comparing features, reading reviews, and testing out some of the top contenders. When it comes to choosing the right car stereo, there are a few key features you should be looking for. Sound quality, for instance, is a no-brainer. You want a system that's going to give you crystal clear highs and rumbling lows. Next up, you've got to consider the user interface. Is it intuitive? Is it easy to navigate? Do you have to dig through menus just to access your favorite playlist? And then, of course, there's connectivity. Do you need wired or wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity? Are there multiple USB ports for charging your devices on the go? Let's take a closer look at some of the top models on the market. The Sony XAVX100, for instance, offers exceptional sound quality and a user-friendly interface. The Kenwood DNX775 RVS, on the other hand, boasts top-notch navigation and a wealth of connectivity options. But after all my research and testing, there's one car stereo that really stands out from the crowd, and that's the Pioneer AVHW for 500NEX. What sets this stereo apart is its seamless integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The user interface is incredibly intuitive, and the sound quality is simply exceptional. Plus, it's got all the connectivity options you need, including wireless charging. In the end, choosing the right car stereo is all about finding that perfect balance between sound quality, user interface, and connectivity. And in my opinion, the Pioneer AVHW for 500NEX is the clear winner. Thanks for joining me on this journey to find the best car stereo for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I hope you found this helpful, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, and check out my next video on car accessories.